Today we're going to bring a fire starter. We're going to set it up in our bonfire here, and all you need is a lighter and one of these to start it up. So let's go ahead and start it up and throw one in there and see how fast this gets this fire started. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so they come in squares. If you guys can notice, the whole package is full of them. You could individual cut them into pieces or actually throw section by section. You don't have to throw it in there, but today we're going to try a little piece first to start up. So cracking, it's just easy as bending it. All right, and this is how much we're going to start with. See if it starts up. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to tuck it in here in the bottom, somewhere here. You guys notice there. Get my lighter, start it up, and it's just pretty much catching on fire. Getting mentioned, make sure you catch the fire started going. We'll let it run for a bit. We're going to let it make sure that there's enough airflow before it starts out, but we'll let it run for a bit. All right, we just threw a couple of them, but the first one actually works. It's actually picking up really good. It caught on pretty quick. All right, I didn't have to throw in a lot of them, just with one piece. I started the actual fire and I just threw in the rest of them in just to make sure that, you know, ignited very well. But with 1/2 a piece, like 1/4 of a piece, I actually threw it in there and it caught on really quick. Look at the center one. The center one was the one that we actually put in there. So really good, easy to use. Didn't have an issue at all. It's just out of the box, thrown in there. If you have one match, that's all you're probably gonna need. So hope you guys enjoy the video.